You see them like a batty boy upon social media. And so like a name front boy. We are going like say, you don't want disgrace Iron Island. A lightning me a lick pound, you know. Lightning. Aya. Me a big man now. And when me a liquor youth a grow come up, certain things when me see a go on in a Iron Island. Couldn't go on. How come man a go in a car and man a slap man pan and wearing? Remember me telling you this now youth man. See every man free for do what they want to do, you know. But it's that style when me soon come on the internet with. Me a burn it out. Lightning, earthquake feet. When you come on the internet, because you don't want likes and views and them thing there. And then you go keep up on a bodyism and a nyam frontism. Them things that don't belong to I and I culture. When me a little youth a grow come up and a some know the thing. You know say it. Them things that don't belong to I and I culture. So also little man just come on this. Because I like some views. You know come with them nonsense here. Rubbish. I want to some man. Why is that knowing yourself in the earth na youth? If you don't want to deal with that thing, man, you go bush or go somewhere else go do that, man. And come off of the internet with that. I want to know. When I hear that, Lightning, me, Shocking Morris said that.